Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ZRX token, one of the best token among top 100 cryptocurrencies and tokens that has surged more than 1250% in just 18 months, and now it has again formed another harmonic bullish reversal move. Before this, I shared this chart back in November 2019 when the price line was completing the final leg of the bullish bat pattern. And by the way, I am also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description you can find there. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this chart, and then I'll take you to the current chart, and I'll also share the complete buying and sell targets for the current move as well. Now, first of all, let me show you this chart. And at that time, the price line was completing the final leg of the bullish bat, and all the legs were driven perfectly as required for the Fibonacci based bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern. And I shared with you guys that the price action can move between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level that start from 19.22 cents and ends up to 17.23 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action completed this final leg as per the price prediction that I shared with you based on the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat. And you can see first it rallied here and then again started another bullish reversal, and that was more than 1250%. You can see that the price action even rallied from approximately 17 cents to $2.40. Now, if we move to the live weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that after this powerful bull run, the price action moved back at this key level support of 50 cents, and at the same time we are also having a very good support of this 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that the price action even spiked up to this key level support of 50 cents and also use this 100 simple moving average support as well and move towards the upside. At this time it is moving at 76.8 cents and moving sideways and likely to turn bullish. You can see that after a long time period we are having the green Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. For example, if I change the chart to the candlestick from the Heikin-Ashi to this simple candlestick pattern, then we can see we have 1 and 2 bullish candlestick, and this week is just started. At this time we are having a little bit selling, but it is possible that we will have another green candle from here. Now I would like to show you the different oscillators. For example, here I have also placed this stochastic oscillator, and you can see that it is oversold and the MACD has started turning bullish. You can see here it was strong bearish and now it is turning weak bearish. Previously, if you watch the previous history at the combination of this stochastic and the MACD indicators, then you can see here we had the stochastic oversold, and here you can see when this MACD was started turning bullish from strong bearish to weak bearish, we had a very nice rally, very big rally towards the upside. And before this we have seen the same act here when the stochastic was oversold and the MACD started turning bullish, and we had a nice rally towards the upside. The same thing is happening again, but this time we are also having a very good support of the 100 simple moving average as well. And let me just show you this key level support of 50 cents that has been working previously as a support and resistance. For example, here we can see it worked as a resistance. Sorry, not here. Here it worked as a resistance, and if we move back, then previously here it also worked as a nice resistance. Therefore, this time it is also working as a very good support, and you can see that the price action is so far not able to break down this 50 cents support level that has been working previously as a very strong resistance on the weekly time frame chart. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here the price line was moving in the falling wedge. You can see it was moving in this falling wedge since April 2021, and here the price action broke out the resistance of this falling wedge, but now it is struggling at the resistance of the 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart, and so far it is not able to break out this 50 simple moving average. And we have already received this death cross between the 200 and the 50 simple moving averages. That is a very strong signal. Therefore the price action moved more down while this death cross was being formed. But now the price action is moving towards the upside after having a very nice bounce by this key level support level that we have already discussed. That is this 50 cent, very strong key level support we have here. And at the same time, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then here the RSI has already visited the oversold zone, and at that time we have seen a very powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the falling wedge. And here again the RSI visited the oversold zone, and after that the price action turned bullish and broke out this resistance of the falling wedge, and now it is trying to break out the resistance of this 50 simple moving average. Once the price line will be able to break out this 50 simple moving average, then 50 simple moving average can start turning bullish to move up to cross this red line, this 200 simple moving average, and that will be a perfect golden cross. And after that golden cross we can expect a very powerful bullish rally. Like previously we have received this bull cross here, this golden cross here, and after that the price action turned very strong bullish, because the golden cross is considered as a very strong buying or bullish signals among the traders community. Now let me just show you this current move that I've shared at the Patreon on 2nd of June, and this is the chart that I shared. And at that time the price action had already completed this final leg of the bullish bat, and we were also having very nice support of 100 and 200 simple moving averages as well. On the 4-day chart we had the 100 simple moving average support and the 200 simple moving average support just in the buying zone, but now currently on the live chart it has moved in the buying zone. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price action is still moving in this potential reversal zone of this bullish butterfly pattern, and we can also see that the price action has found a bottom here. That is 55 cents. That is the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone, and we have also a very nice key level support at 50 cents. Therefore we can also set the 50 cents as our stop loss, or we can also set this level, that is the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone, that is 55 cents as our stop loss. This is the bottom for now, and now from here, like the previously the ZRX started this bullish reversal from this buying zone or potential reversal zone of this big bullish bat. And same as like this, we can expect another bullish reversal move. This is my personal opinion, my personal research, and this is the Fibonacci based calculation that I'm sharing with you. You can do your own research as well. This is not a financial advice. You can do your own research. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.